Good morning, humans. XZanthia here.
XZanthia's daily motherfucking life.
I don't know why, but I've been waking up in a funk again, like every morning. It's like I have nightmares or something, and I wake up with this pounding, throbbing, heavy rock on my chest. It's like my depression is coming back, and I'm not really sure what's triggering it. Maybe it's because I'm mostly done moving and I don't have so much stuff to do, so now I gotta I want to do art.
Now that that's done, I'm gonna start making some hats.
I started doing all these polyurethane resin pours. I got this whole little area set up over here for it. And I just set this up. I'm gonna make some different hats. So I kind of put some piles of different colors. Kind of going for a white and a red here, and a black and a yellow orange here, and a pink and a white there. It's all a mess right now because I'm trying to find all my skulls. I lost all my skulls that I already glittered. My glitter skulls. Too many things.
I'm gonna plant some plants.
I planted Brussels sprouts and kale and carrots and beets and lettuce and more cabbage and some more broccoli and all kinds of things. It's gonna be delicious later. Now we wait. Hey, you better leave it alone, chicken.
These will be for sale on my Etsy shop soon. Etsy shop soon.
Hey, I got all up in your algorithm, baby. We're about ready to go boating. Say hi. Got my pajamas on because I'm cozy. Oh, the water went down. Going kayaking. Don't tell anyone. Hi. You're gonna bump me. Look at Bob's putting our chicken to bed. Chicken!
You murdered this man.
Yes.
Skates freaky like a loony bin, rocking with our daily life.
Mom, shut up!
There we go.
There's a spot in old St. Pete, just a half a mile off South St. Street. The place gets freaky like a loony bin, rocking with our daily life friends. Hi, my name's XZanthia.
Mr. Tank.
To all of our friends, we'd like to thank.
You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Go to Patreon to keep us alive. XZanthia.
Mr. Tank!
There's a spot.
Thank you. That's my XZanthia.